Landscape engineer, summary video, Inspector Tom Curran, Longwood Ave, Harvard Medical. You can see the angle here is tied in with a 3/8 bolt, should be 1/2 inch. Your bolts here on your clip for your stringers is 3/8 undersized bolts, minimum 1/2 inch, preferably 5/8. You got two 3/8 here, which is fine. Two 3/8 here is fine, but they only have one 3/8 on the piece of angle supporting the rail and the stringer. That should be 1/2 inch or 1/2 inch minimum, preferably 5/8. The grating over there is sitting on the railings. The tread clips look good. There's no real rust in them. Nope, take that back, that one's got rust in it. You can see the spacing there. That one looks good, that one looks good, that one looks good. Somebody did re-bolt them. The stringer here has moved the angle clip. You can see the space in it. It's only got one 3/8 bolt, should have minimum 1/2 inch. That should be reinforced. Same thing here. This angle iron that's holding the stringer is moving, and they only have one 3/8 bolt, and it should be 1/2 inch. Rails have been re-bolted. Grating has been done. Cement has been done. You can see some rust starting to build up on the string connection there. Your brace is undersized. It only has a 3/8 bolt, and it should have minimum 1/2 inch, preferably 5/8 for the amount of load it's carrying. You can see some rust starting to build up in the stringers here, in the stringer treads. The grating on this floor should be moved over close to the angle. It's not straight. That looks like it was cut a little small. That's why they left it this way. You can see the rail has been clipped down there, there. Same thing, you can see the angle holding the stringer is moving. Not tight, not tight, not tight. And there's only one 3/8 bolt in it, not two 3/8 or 1/2 inch. Same thing there, only one 3/8 bolt holding that brace. It should be 1/2 inch minimum for the brace. Stringer clip, only one 3/8 bolt in it. Should have 1/2 inch minimum, preferably 5/8. Two 3/8 here. Same thing there. Only one 3/8 should have minimum 1/2 inch, preferably 5/8. This brace here coming down is low, as you can see. And yeah, somebody has looks like they put a piece on it because it may have been bad. Cement could be better. Cement there could have been a little better. Rail there. Your rail here. The rails there have been rebolted, have been re-bolted there. You could see that it's only one 3/8 bolt now instead of 5/8. You can see all the rust on the bottom of the treads. You can see all the rust on the channel. That's all the old steel. The only thing here they've replaced is new is the grating. They have supports, angle supports bolted to this floor to hold up the next floor because there's no braces on the bearer, so they're invertedly holding it. Same thing, only one 3/8 instead of 5/8 where it's carrying a structural load. Your floor should be over more, picking up that space there. You can see only 1 3/8 bolt in there, only 1 3/8 bolt in there. The grading looks pretty good on this job. It's been replaced. A lot of your treads have all been rebolted. Some of them have rust built up in them. Majority of them don't. But all your structural connections are 3/8 instead of 1/2 inch minimally, preferably 5/8. 1 3/8 bolt, 2 here. That should be minimum 1/2 inch, preferably 5/8, because it's carrying the stringers. You can see the angle support there where they inverted it to this floor. They only have 1 3/8 bolt in each piece of the angle. They carry a structural load like that, they should have 5/8 because they're supporting all this landing. Another floor, the grading should have come out here to the edge, leaving a hole where somebody with a small foot could step through there. Not with a big foot like mine, but with a small foot could. One 3/8 bolt, as you can see, should be the angle supporting the deck inverted should be 5/8. The others should be minimum 1/2 inch for your structural connections. Treads there. They've been all rebolted. Your rails have been rebolted, but there are some rust building in some of the tread connections. Stringer up there with 1 3/8 bolt in it should have minimum 1/2 inch, preferably 5/8 because it's carrying a structural load. This is new grading walking over to the stairs here. You can see the angle here is buckling and there's rust building up in there because it's only undersized bolts. You can see here where somebody welded a piece onto that stringer to get that notch. You can see it's only a 1 3/8 bolt there and 3/8 bolts there, where they should be 1/2 inch minimum, preferably 5/8 carrying the stringer load. You can see all the rust on the old treads. New grading here. We're coming down a few stairs here to a concrete walkway, stairs out to the street over there. You can see you got a bent tread there. Same thing, the support there is a 3/8 bolt, should be 1/2 inch minimum. Same thing there, your string connection should be 3/8, should be 1/2 inch, not 3/8. You can see the rust building up on some of the treads. You can see some of the cement should have been done a little neater. Same thing over there, only 1 3/8 instead of a 1/2 inch. And I guess this drawer says 160, so I guess it's probably 160 long, whatever.